What I wish I knew about cactus farming before my last grocery run. It's not just for deserts anymore. Yep, we're talking about cacti. Those spiky plants are now sprouting up all over China. Why? Because cacti are the new superheroes of farming. They thrive in the dry, arid regions of northern and western China where other crops struggle. Talk about turning a prickly situation into a sweet deal. And it's not just about the fruit, known as prickly pear. These juicy gems are like a cross between watermelon and pear, totally refreshing. But wait, there's more. The cactus pads, edible and increasingly popular in stir-fries and salads. Who knew, right? Cactus farming is also great for the environment. These plants help combat soil erosion and desertification, making them a perfect fit for harsh climates. Plus, growing new plants from pads, super efficient and sustainable. So next time you see a cactus, remember, it's not just a prickly plant, it's China's new green gold. Ready to take a bite? End of script.